Dear students, in today's session, I am going to explain you about the concept of data analytics. So, what is the introduction about the data analytics? I am going to discuss with you. So, I am Rajeswari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics, Dr. S.R.S. College of Arts and Science. Come get inside our session. Come, let's go inside our session. So, data analysis is a main field of research. Okay, in this we are analyzing the data for giving some decision making, for taking some decision making in any field. Okay, so for that purpose we are using the concept of data analytics. So while doing the data analysis, we are using the database with multiple variables. That variable may be used to taking some decision and taking some the thing may be useful for the analyzer to take the new trends to new. Now I am going to explain you about the visualization technique in data analysis process. Okay, so data, whatever the we are doing the analysis purpose, the data we are using more than one data in database. For analysis process we are using more than one data and complex datas. Okay, so whenever we are doing analysis we will find out some results. Okay, so if you are distributing that result to the user, it should be in a very visual. Okay, then only it will be easy to understand. If it is a not in visual, it will not be clearly represented. Okay, so for analyzing, then for representing our data visually, we are using more than one tools. Okay, one such tool is the infographic. So an infographic is a visual representation of information or data designed to make complex information easy to understand at the glance. They utilize a combination of images, charts, graphs and minimal text to quickly convey a message and highlight key insights. So insight is nothing but a knowledge. Okay, whatever we gained through the analysis, that can be depicted in a visual images. So for that we are using this tool. Okay, so that the data will be represented in a visual. For this purpose it is using. So key concepts of multivariant statistics. So it consists of many variables, that is called multiple variable. It is one of the key concept of the multivariant statistics. For taking on statistics, we need the support of more than one variables. Okay, then only we can take one decision about the analysis report. Like that we can take from the analysis process. So multiple variables are needed. Then relationship and the dependence is also needed. Then dimensionality and reductions is needed. So in the multivariant statistics deals with data sets where more than one variables is measured for each observation or individual. So more than one variable is analyzed and measured here for the any observation of particular category of information. So in the relationship and dependence, there are the core of multivariant analysis, understanding how these variables relate to each another. So relationship is find out between the using, that is between the two variables or two or more variables, we are find out their relationship. So based on that relationship only we are going to give one suggestion for the any problem. Okay, so then based on that only we are going to take any decisions according to that problem. So do changes in one variable predict the changes in the another. So we are going to check the content of the variables and we are doing so many research among that data. So if we are doing the changes in one variable, the impact will be going to the second variable or not, that thing going to find out that in the relationship and dependence areas of the multivariant statistics. So before doing this analysis we have to take the key concepts, then only based on that only we can do some analysis. Then dimensionality and reduction is one of the key concept of the multivariant statistics. So multivariant techniques can help reduce the complexity of high dimensional data by identifying underlying patterns and relationship potentiality, creating new variables that capture the essence of the original data. So from the original data only we are going to take the essence, Then based on that essence only I am going to give some suggestions and decision taking suggestions and solution for the given problem. Okay, so for that we are using the dimensionality reductions concept in multivariate statistics. This concept is mainly used to take the essence from the large data set. So from the data set only we are giving the solution. Okay, then we are doing the analysis. So for that we are taking the key concept of the dimensionality and reduction. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the common techniques that is going to used for by multivariant analysis.